Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a popular/well-known person in your country. You should say, who is the person? What she/he has done? Why she/he is popular? And explain how you feel about this person. Virat Kohli, a well-known international cricket player and former captain of the Indian cricket team, is one well-known and well-liked individual in my nation, India. He is respected for his leadership abilities, physical prowess, and positive outlook in addition to his exceptional cricket performance. Virat Kohli's career has been incredibly successful. He is among the fastest batsmen to reach 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000 runs in one-day internationals, ODIs, among other records in international cricket. Additionally, he has guided India to numerous landmark victories both domestically and outside. In addition to cricket, he is actively involved in charitable work through his foundation, which supports young people's participation in sports and aids impoverished children. In order to encourage a healthy lifestyle among the younger generation, he has also started his own clothes and exercise brands. There are numerous reasons why Virat Kohli is so well-liked. First of all, he is a role model for millions of people because of his vigor, aggression, and never-say-die mentality on the field. Second, his own self-discipline in terms of food and exercise has raised the bar for Indian athletes. By posting inspirational quotes, workout advice, and peeks into his personal life on social media, he also establishes a strong connection with the younger generation. He became even more well-known after marrying Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma, who combined the domains of entertainment and athletics. For me, Virat Kohli is a huge inspiration. I respect his enthusiasm for his work and commitment to ongoing personal development. In my opinion, he is a representation of perseverance, hard effort, and ambition in addition to being a talented athlete. Seeing him perform inspires me to maintain my focus on my own objectives and to persevere through challenging situations. I also admire how he uses his celebrity to further charitable causes and maintains a healthy balance between his personal and business lives. In summary, Virat Kohli is one of India's greatest stars and continues to impact millions of people through his ideals and way of life in addition to his cricket skills. He is genuinely a future legend. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.